Esh Sehuba. Esh Sehuba. Esh Sehuba. Ba. Esh Sehuba. Ba. Esh Sehuba.
Chapter 1, in which Tracy is confronted by her schoolmate Janie about the night of senior prom.
Tracy Buckles.
Cunningham, you cunt! What's that for?
Mary told Kenzie, who told me that you slept with Seamus Halifax III the night of senior prom.
Are we talking high school?
Is it true?
No.
So you did not sleep with him?
Well, technically he did go down on me in the back of his car.
Where?
In the Pleasant High parking lot right next to Pizza Hut.
You're the one. You took him away from me.
Honestly, I wish he would have picked you. It wasn't even that good. He had this big pendant around his neck and it kept rubbing up against my perineum.
You know, I used to like you, Tracy. When people called you a freak and a fake and a crazy bitch, I stood up for you.
What are you even going on about? You and I are barely even friends. Why does any of this matter to you?
Anything the matter, love?
It's okay, Mom.
Mrs. Buckles? Khizri lamek ba.
Kenya Kirati.
How'd you do that?
You wanna know why I'm here, Tracy? Because you don't fuck over your friends, that's why.
Fine, I get it. I shouldn't have had a one-night stand with Seamus 4.5 years ago. If you want to punch me in the face over it, go ahead.
I'm not gonna punch you. I'm gonna put a curse on you, girl.
It was in this pivotal moment when Tracy realized that Janie Cunningham was in fact a level 9 superior black mage. This realization was followed by a sense of unbridled fear.
Atihi no hahat, achle olam lo turishi. Atihi luai ayin, achle olam lo tishami. At echan lo ishma et zitrek, mishum shikilagdi et kol milotay. Yihi hasum echol kol lo tukeli lehashmiya hege. Atihi usmuda eshikake.
What the fuck did you just do to me? It's called the Curse of Unspeakable Consequence. You can kind of think of it like magical aids. Bye, bitch. I've never even had chlamydia, and now I have magical aids?